Good afternoon, everyone. I am Michael Ahaoma Wisdom. Today, I want to have a brief discussion where I will be showing you how to navigate through Find a Code. Now, as you log in to find a code, you see codes, and in codes, you will see diagnosis. So here in diagnosis, this is where you come and search for ICD-10-CM. And here is DRGs, that is diagnosis related groups. And this HCCS, and this ICD-11. This is SOMAT Summit City and ICD-9. But for you now, what you really need is to know about this ICD-10 CM. Here is procedures. Here you can go for CPT, that's current procedure terminology. This for HCPCS, and this is for those that are working for dentists, and this is for those who are coding for inpatient hospital, that's ICD-10 PCS, and so on. Here is HCPCS for supply codes, and here is for drugs and vaccines. And you come here and you want to go to index. You can also use here to search for index by opening it, and then if you want to search code from ICD-10 index, ICD-10 drugs table, neoplasms, external cause, and so on, CPT, HCPCS majorly, or ICD-10 PCS index. This is how you can get it. Now, if you want to go to Tabla List, you can return back to this find a code. And when you do, you go to Tabla List here. So this place is where you click and open Tabla List. It is advisable that before you proceed with any code in the index, that you confirm them in the Tabla. So you can actually find the Tabla List here, and then you log in by clicking and find out other codes that are inside the Tabla List. For example, I use Tabla List sometimes when I want to search for uh, carcinomas or the malignant, provided I have the site documented. So here, as it is opened, you can go to ICD-10 here, CPT, HCPCS, ICD-10 PCS, and so on here. So as you open it, you see further about it. Here is your code basket. So if you have some codes that you have marked and you have chosen, you will see them in the code basket. And the code basket is opening. So those are the codes that you've worked on, that you actually marked or tagged to be in your code basket. Here, information library, help and guides, the and here are tools. Okay, and some of these tools we are not yet subscribed to it. So, but feel free to open every aspect of find a code that you want to navigate freely. And as you open it, you read the information. It is always easy to open and easy to go back. Good. The code basket has opened. So can see these are the codes inside my code basket. Can scroll down, pull it down and see. So with time you are going to become more familiar and on how to use it. And it's very simple to use find a code. There are other things attached to find a code where you see flags and where you see modifiers that you are not supposed to code or that are not supported by the CPT code. You can actually see it here. Here in CPT code, most importantly, I want to discuss about how to search and get through the right code from CPT. You remember in the lesson, CPT lesson in page 30, it states that if you want to get to the correct code of CPT, you search with the body location or position, anatomical position of the body, and then you will get direct to that place. Then you take your time and scroll down. Assuming a procedure is being done in intestine, and then you want to get there, it is just very simple for you to search from that your main term as intestine, and then you can see all these procedures here. And then you that knows the kind of procedure that is being performed now, we now go straight to it and choose. So if it is small intestine or large intestine, you also see it there. You also see it there. So if you want to search with the if you want to search with the ICD-10, it is advisable you search with disease. Please take note. Make sure that you get those things deep, and then make sure you master your main terms and subterms. Thank you for watching this clip, and have success in your study.